increase the health and growth of your leafy greens and root vegetable. Have rich green leaves. The one thing that I keep adding for organic fertilizer or compost you're doing, you do not need to change it. Just keep your routine and just add blood meal. Organic blood meal is a rich source of nitrogen, which is a big boost. It will strengthen up your plant, giving you a faster growth, keeping your plant healthy. It makes the plant so strong versus bugs, pests, and even the wind. Blood meal is a really good source when it comes down to leafy greens and a root vegetable. I'm telling you, hands down, you have to get some. As I said, choose whatever brand you want. But whatever fertilizer you're doing, you don't have to worry about it. Just normally you would mix 1 cup to every 20 square feet of gardening. You could even go half a cup if you're already, going heavy on fertilizer. Just add a half a cup once a month and watch the big difference. This is how it looks right here. Look at this. And you literally just sprinkle about 3 inches or 4 inches away from the plant itself and just water. It will break it down. I just sprinkle a little bit every 3 weeks normally I do. But if you're going heavy on regular fertilizer, go 1 time a month. How green and rich my kale leaves are right here. Look at it. No filter added, just regular vinegar, nothing fancy. Look at my mustard greens. Oh my God. You got to get rich green leaves like this. Healthy green leaves. Look at my lettuce and stuff. Very healthy. These are my spinach. Look. Your leaves cannot be any more green than this. This is healthy. These are ready to harvest. Especially if you're a new gardener and you notice all your leaves are turning yellow or they're a little bit like lighter green and they're not like dark rich green, you could tell your vegetable is not that healthy, the plant's not healthy. So you either got to increase your fertilizer first, but if you realize your fertilizer is on point, then you got to boost it with blood meal. Nitrogen will give it that big boost to bring it into the rich green healthy. And still, if you add all that and if you notice your leaves are still yellow, it's the watering. You're watering too much, cut back on the water. Not every day you're gonna water. Springtime is not that hot, so you don't have to water every day. Water every 2 to 3 days lightly. If you're deep watering, do like every 3 to 4 days because you want the soil to like dry out a little bit. Nutrition and overwatering is a big problem when it comes to leafy greens. All right, I just want to do this simple video to let you know and show you how my plants, I didn't add anything crazy, how the plants are growing right now, basically boosting up with a blood meal. That's all I did. And then I water every 3 days right now. And then we're gonna get 3 days of rain, so I'm not gonna water. When it rains for 3 days, I don't water for another like 4 days because the whole plant, the soil is not getting a chance to dry, so the plant will be overwatered, so you don't wanna cause problem. It's very important to harvest your leafy greens on time to get a better airflow, less bugs hiding between, any caterpillars hiding between, and this way you get more harvest to eat and your plant will keep producing faster before the summer weather comes. Any question, comment below, and don't forget to check in the description box to get your hand on some blood meal and grow healthier vegetables.